Exporting recipes from Sapaad is so easy, whether you need it for sharing, backup, or any other purpose. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple process of exporting recipes from Sapaad. Let's begin. First, go to Setup and click Inventory Setup. Next, select Recipes. In the Recipes page, click on the Export to CSV button located at the right-hand side of the search field. A pop-up box will appear indicating that the export is in progress. You will receive a CSV file on the same email you have registered with Sapaad once the export is completed. And there you have it. You just learned how easy it is to export recipes in Sapaad. Be sure to check out our video on converting recipe to a finished good. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.